taking you to places you do not know. The town that we are about to enter is Hohoe. Yes, you heard me right. Hohoe. 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 And let's talk a bit about Hohoe Municipal. Hohoe. Hohoe. Okay, let's go. Hohoe Municipal is one of the 25 administrative districts of Volta Region. Yes, Volta Region of Ghana. It was carved out of former Pando district, meaning Hohoe was part of Pando district before it owned itself became Hohoe District. It was established by the legislative instrument. Please pardon me because English is not my friend. Yeah, it was established by the legislative instrument. The municipality has a total land area of 1,172 kilometers. 1,172 kilometers, which is 5.6% of the land area of the region. It shares boundaries with Republic of Togo. Yes, this area shares boundary with the Republic of Togo. On the east, farming part of Ghana international border. On the southeast, by the Afajato. I will show you all these places in our next video. The road that leads to the border, the road that leads to Mountain Afajato, the road that leads to so many areas. I will show you in our next video. But where we find ourselves right now is Hohoe Township. It shares borders with Republic of Togo on the east, farming part of Ghana international border. On the southeast by Mountain Afajato District, the southwest by Pando Municipality. On the north with Jasekan. I will also show you Jasekan. Yes, okay, you wait. Let me put Jasekan on it for you to see before we continue from the other video. Yeah, so that is Jasekan on your screen, and that is the senior high, and this senior high makes Jasekan because of the school. It has popularly increased the name of Jasekan. In our next video, we will show you the main and the whole township of Jasekan. But what we are talking about right now is Hohoe. Yeah, it's Hohoe. So as we were saying, Jasekan shares boundaries with Pando, and at the same time, Jasekan shares boundaries with Hohoe. So mainly talking about Hohoe sharing boundaries with Jasekan, and at the same time Pando. So on the southeast by Afajato, that is where they share the boundaries with District, southwest by Pando Municipality, on the north with Jasekan District, and on the northwest with Bwakweye District. Its capital, Hohoe, is about 78 kilometers from Ho. The regional capital is 220 kilometers from Accra. The national capital and population of Hohoe Municipality, according to 2010 population and housing census, comprises of 167.016%. That is 7.9% of total population of Volta Region. It comprises 52.1% female and 47.9% male. It means anywhere that you go, the females are more than the males. A man or also say man. Hey, it is not easy at all. It is not easy at all. So when you get to Hohoe, there are lots, there are a lot to, say about. So when you are traveling from this side to that side, we have places called Alavanyo, Zubezi, Alavanyo Domi, Alavanyo Agome, Alavanyo Pame, Alavanyo Wudidi, Alavanyo. So it's Alavanyo, and I'm yet to know what the meaning of Alavanyo is. Yes, what the meaning of Alavanyo is. And still talking about Hohoe. I'm not surprised Hohoe is the capital. Yes, I'm not surprised at all because the place looks decent. Yes, the place looks decent at Hohoe. Hohoe Municipality, let's talk about tourism. Yeah, let's talk a bit about tourism. Hohoe Municipality is a home of tourism, potential capable of transforming its economy as well as its overall contribution to national income when fully, yes, I don't want to add the rest to it. Let's go. Its beautiful landscape, numerous ecotourism sites that makes it one of the most important tourist area in the country. The Hohoe Municipality has a following marked tourism features: the highest park in Ghana. It has the highest peak in Ghana. Mountain Afajato is located around Hohoe. Yes, Mountain Afajato is located around Hohoe. Between Leati, Woti, and Brady community, Mountain Afajato is located in between Leati, Woti, and Bledi community. The highest waterfall in West Africa, Wili Waterfalls, located at Wili around Hohoe. Teju Waterfalls located at Alavanyo, also around Hohoe. Tagbo Waterfalls at Leati Woti. I may not mention the name as the true owners of the land will mention it, because I am not part of that side. So forgive me if I twist the name by how they mention it, because I quite remember when we were coming, we reached a certain place called Bleweniase. That is how I mention it. But for them, they have a way of mentioning it. But I just mention it as it has been written. Yes, Bleweniase. But they have a way of mentioning it. Yeah, it's like when you go to the Western region, they say Elemble. But when we call it, we call Elemble. But when they are, reading the news on the radio station, on the TV station, people who do not come from that area call Elemble. But it's called Elemble. Yeah, Elemble. Yeah, so that is how it is. I may not mention it as it's originally mentioned, but forgive me about that one. So we're talking about some and most of the tourist attractions, tourist sites around Hohoe. And number 4, we talk about Tagbo Waterfall at Lati Woti. Number 5, we talk about Wajakli Waterfalls located at Likpi Todeme. Yeah, so that is it. We have number 6, the most wonderful ancient old iron mines at Akpafu Toji. Yes, Akpafu Toji. That is where we have the most wonderful ancient old iron miners, Akpafu Toji. Then we have 7, the 4 ancestral cave located at Lekpi Todeme. Lekpi Todeme. Yes, Lekpi Todeme. So let's talk about some of the international links, Ghana, Pedia, and all that it is. Let's talk about it. This Volta Region location article is a tab you can help. Yes. All these places that we mentioned, you can help. You can help. When I say we can help, meaning we're talking about the authorities, because whenever you find yourself in Ghana, you can't do anything on your own without permission from the authority. And I hope that is how it has been done all over the years, all over the countries. But one thing that I disagree most times with our leaders is that even though if you go to the assembly, if you go to the office that you want to do something to help the nation, many times it takes more than years before they approve it. By the time that they approve it, it must be something else. Yes, it must be something else. So that side alone, I disagree. There are many private schools. There are many private schools and at the same time public basic school in Hohoe. A list of educational institutions in Hohoe are as follows. As some may say, we have University of Health and Allied Sciences. We have the University of Health and Allied Sciences at Hohoe. We have St. Teresa's Training College at Hohoe. We have St. Francis College of Education at Hohoe. We have Hohoe Midwifery Training College. Secondary schools, we have Hohoe EP. Senior high, we have Lekpe Senior High. We have Alavanyo Senior High Technical School. We have Akpafu Senior High Technical School. We have Agat Senior High School. We have Afajato Senior High Technical School. We have St. Mary's Seminary Senior High School. We have a whole lot at Hohoe. Yes, Hohoe is enriched with many things. But look at the road. Look at the road. A place that has so many tourist attractions. A place that has so many tourist sites that project, sites that produce money, pumps money into the nation. Look at the road. I'm saying you just look at the road. I'm not saying anything. So just look at the road. That is all. Just look at the road. Just look at the road and tell me your view. Yeah. Just look at the road and tell me your view. So, as usual, we take you to places you do not know. Abizi TV is the channel. We are going straight out to Bimbila, but you know how we used to do it. Sometimes you need to talk about 1 or 2 things, then continue with your journey, and that is what is happening now. That is what is happening now. Our aim, our vision is to take you to places you do not know. Many people do not know Hohoe, and many people do not know a bit about Hohoe. So this is the picture of Hohoe, the main road. This is the main road. This main road goes to Palme. Did I say Palme? Yes, when you are coming from the northern side, you use this road to Palme, you go to a noon site, then as follows. That same route goes to the northern side, Pasa, you have Bimbila, then 8 neighboring countries, 8 neighboring towns. You can use that side to Togo as well. and many places, and this is the main road inside the town or the city called Parliament, Hohoe. I don't know why Parliament has come into my mouth like that, but we will talk about Parliament too. So just stay tuned, you understand? Just stay tuned, because we have a lot and a lot to offer. We have a lot and a lot to offer. The weather inside Hohoe is calm, is cool. Talk about main occupation here. Talk about the schools. We talk about how they used to do their things, and so forth and so on. In our next subsequent videos, we will talk more and more about Volta Region and Northern Region. If you are from this side, big ups to you, because you have a lot of tourist sites, tourist attraction, but your road is something which is there, which is very bad, and that decrease all the qualities that these lands have. Please, if you are not part of this amazing family, kindly subscribe for us on YouTube at Busy TV. Your comments are welcome. I hope you can see the mountains ahead. Very nice and very beautiful. The people inside Hohoe comport themselves in anything, whatever that happens.